red light, it's going. Documentary again!
Again.
Look, there's you. You're really cute. I got your whole face. Oh, look. That's way up close.
Oh, ooh,
look, there's your bed. That's where lots of amazing sex happens. What else do I need to tape? Where's Allie? Allie! She will not. Look, there's us. We're cute. We're in love. That's just how it goes. Hey, that is not love. You gotta have love here. Look, there's you being cute. Cute little boyfriend. What else must we include? There's Steven's bathroom with no mirror.
Oh, let's do the adventure.
No mirrors. Alright, adventure. Here we go.
Do you have to start it over?
No.
Okay.
We're going. It's the same one.
Well, you know it hands down, so you lead the tour.
I don't know. You. Look, camera is on you.
I just get dressed in that.
Camera is on you.
I know, if we're gonna do a reenactment.
Oh my gosh, how are we doing? What
We're
are
gonna
we
do a
doing?
reenactment. Yeah.
Oh, okay, here we go, here we go.
I have to hit that up first.
Are you making fun of me?
I don't know, but then you get here, and it's not demonstrate.
Well, that was a really lame reenactment.
Should I do it like you did it?
No.
Okay.
I did not like that reenactment. I did not like it.
Was there a reenactment though?
Shut the hell up. Punch in the face, dude. Punch in the face. Punch. Right there. Punch.